Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a workflow that helps you to generating image and send to the Gmail from the temperature. And what we need first thing we need is a weather form. Okay, in this we need to add the title, subtitle, and field name was select a city and drop down list and lead done London, sorry, and Paris and New York and Tokyo. Okay, in this, and we need okay in this switch button we need to add a city from drag and drop on this area and add the equal to the ABC, and in this value 2 we need add London and all the names, and the same was things for drag and drop all the things in value 1. Okay, in this London we need to add the let string and okay it's added 5. Okay, and the number was including, and in all the things was same. You can see the my old video of weather, and I will tell you how to create a full project in my second video. Okay, in the margin when we need a margin and number 4. Okay, we need a http request, and http request we need add a http url, and you can see on the old video and I also add the link on the description and get the input everything. Okay, the main thing was here. In this we added all the things and copy in this, and it's give the data, and we need a image on weather. Okay, and it's give me the image and very good, and it's sent to the my Gmail and also send the message, and okay, it's sent to the my Gmail. Okay, and it is very helpful for your clients and thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.